Yeah.
I'm really close to the rock wallaby. I'm just like a meter. GB, i-push ang rock.
Okay, try. Good.
It's actually doing a poo-poo. In the mouth and out in the other. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Hi everyone, this is JV and I'm with my aunties here at Granite Gorge in Mareeba. Just really awkward.
Not Granite Gorge Nature Park is a camping park with huge granite boulders, a creek for swimming and canoeing, plus tame rock wallabies. Address is 332 Paglietta Road, Arriga, Queensland 4880. Hello, oy, ang mga rock climbers, ka-sexy. Oy, ang usa, oh, na sexy. This is a 360-degree views of the Granite Gorge Nature Park.
To Granite Gorge. Right, so we have two walks in Granite Gorge. We have a yellow spot walk, which is 1.2 kilometers, and you just follow the yellow spots. And we have which is grade 3, and we have a red spot walk, which is just under a kilometer, and that's grade 4, and it takes 20 minutes from the yellow spot to Whale Rock and 20 minutes back again. To get into the gorge, you just walk down the steps here and walk down the footpath on the left. Halfway down the footpath on the left, you will see some rock steps. Those rock steps will just take you out onto a level area, which is a lookout that looks out onto the whole of the gorge.
Is it okay to put in my
So you come back down
Yes.
the same rock steps, follow the footpath down. When you get down to the bottom, this here you see before you is Wallaby Rock.
Ayaw na lang daw balik sa Pilipinas, GB, kaya wala yung mag-hand feeding niya. Di rin lang yun. Same hair color ba mo? Wala, it's meant to be.
He's doing it. He's just doing it, my
Holding down your hand.
Oh. Cindy, hindi na siya mukha. Kisnap ko sa malapit.
Tiki, bago mo siya kipakaon ni JV.
Kasakit sa kong kasidugan.
Oh no.
Cindy, he left his food on you.
Okay, let's get the other one.
No. You wanna eat some wallaby food? Yeah.
Oh no, not hungry. This one.
You want some num-nums? You want nummies? Yeah, come on. Yeah, mommy's here. See, num-num. You like? Num. Oh. In the other side?
It's actually doing a poo-poo.
In the mouth and out in the other. Wow, you've given me. It's okay. It's okay. It's all good. It's just me. Come on, eat a whole lot. Have you been fed well? Yeah, you're pretty, aren't you? You want me to sit down? Oh, it's alright. It's all good. What's your name? Is your name?
Rocky. Rock
Is your name Wally? Oh. Okay. Oh, thank you. Iki naman yung mga rocks ani din drama sa Wallaby feeding.
Yellow
Hello, thank you Cindy. Uy nga you drive us here. No, I didn't explore. I explored the parking lot. That's okay. Because we have dogs. We have dogs and dogs aren't allowed here. So now we're crossing this bridge. Wow. This is actually my first time coming here. Nice lagi kag pants, Jeb. Diri ra ba og giun? Explore the world in your way. Cindy! Turtle Rock kay ato niya ibuhatag ang food. Naulay. Kanya na lang, atian na lang.
I think there are fishes in here, Sin. Look.
Yeah.
It's like they're bubbling.
And you never know, aside from fish. Oh, there's a farmer on his tractor.
Hi.
And there's our little tourist.
Little tourist, huh?
I'm little.
There's our pretty tourist from Cebu.
I like it better. Pretty.
And look what it's in. How can we reach that spot?
So we won't go there. Bundakers. Mag-reverse. Wow. It's meant to be. Maari kong Turtle Rock.
Turtle.
Best we get a picture from
Okay, go.
standing giant turtle. So where is this? That looks like a turtle head. See? It's beautiful. Come and visit Granite Gorge and this Instagrammable spot can inspire you to take 1,000 videos and photos. I'm glad I have my videographer today and photographer. And also, our tourist guide. And yes, of course, todo na lang yun. Hasta ni bayad sa Bukafil diri.
Driver pa.
Driver pa. Pag abot diri gipabayad pa siya sa sa fee. Pagkano na lang nato ning ice cream kay mga baraton.
Alcance.
Ano kansi ang tour guide. O si JV na po yung masturya na ako mo siya ikasulti.
Thanks, Auntie Cindy.
Mamona na kayo pag suka kayo magkuyawan.
Wash your hands here. Oh, okay na, Jib. Okay na.
Shout out to all my subscribers all over the world. JV, would you like to say something to your viewers?
To my viewers, this is your vlog. But yeah, thank you for having me in your vlog. Wow.
You're welcome anytime.
But yeah, thanks a lot to my aunties for bringing me to this wonderful place. It's really good. It's the you know, the scenery. I really like it. Thanks, auntie.
Thank you. I hope you'll be back here.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Hopefully.
Snapshots of the day. Enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Welcome. Oh, mana pa day kong kuan. And I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all of the very balik ang so
Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye. Thank you again, Cindy, our videographer, driver, photographer, all in one.
Into Granite Gorge. Right, so we have two walks in Granite Gorge. We have a yellow spot walk, which is 1.2 kilometers, and you just follow the yellow spots. And we have which is grade 3, and we have a red spot walk, which is just under a kilometer, and that's grade 4, and it takes 20 minutes from the yellow spot to Whale Rock and 20 minutes back again. To get into the gorge, you just walk down the steps here and walk down the footpath on the left. Halfway down the footpath on the left, you will see some rock steps. Those rock steps will just take you out onto a level area, which is a lookout that looks out onto the whole of the gorge. So you come back down the same rock steps, follow the footpath down. When you get down to the bottom, this here you see before you is Wallaby Rock. This is what most people come to do, is to feed the Mareeba Rock wallabies. Now,
Yes.
if you don't see the Mareeba Rock wallabies, what you just do with the wallaby feed is go near the rocks and shake the bag.
Okay.
But you can see one just sitting there, just like waiting.
Yeah.
All right, no one's coming to me.
Yeah.
On Wallaby Rock, you will see yellow spots. So there's like a yellow spot there.
Yeah.
The yellow spots will take you over that bridge.
All right.
Once you go over that bridge, which is this bridge on the map, stay left.
Yes.
As you go down to the weir, follow the yellow spots. When you get to the weir, throw the rest of the wallaby food in the water and see the turtles eat the food.
All right.
Come back from the weir, stay left, go over a second set of stairs
Yeah.
onto a rock called Turtle Rock.
All
It's
right.
called Turtle Rock because there's a rock there that looks like a giant turtle.
Wow.
Follow the yellow spots round to the halfway mark. Directly in front of you, there's 3 rocks in a row and 2 yellow spots. Can you see it? In the distance, there's a flat piece of rock.
Up there?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the halfway mark. That's what we're looking at here.
All right.
Then it goes down over 2 creeks and a little river here. And then it goes into fairly flat bushland.
Yes.
Follow the yellow spots. At the end of bushland, you will see a giant granite rock in front of you with yellow spots going up.
All right.
When you get to the top, it will bring you out over there, behind where you wash your hands. So that flat piece of rock there.
Yes.
That's the end of the 1.2 kilometer.
And then I can
Yellow
eat my
spot.
ice cream.
Then you can come and get your ice cream because you will need one by the end of that.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy.
Yeah. Bye, birds. Bye. You're so pretty. Look at you. You're so pretty. All right then.